Today we will discuss the top free apps for efficiency within AutoCAD. The first one we will have a look at is the JTB Layouts app. With JTB, quickly export multiple layouts into separate files. The new drawings are named after the layouts with your chosen prefix or suffix as specified in the settings and is automatically saved to your source drawing folder. A new command will be created for you, layouts to DWGs and layouts to DWGs bind purge. If you'd like to bind and purge XREFs in your drawings, use the bind purge command instead. It is also found in the add-ins tab within the ribbon. This add-in has easy to follow commands. Enter prefixes if necessary, as well as suffixes as you see fit. Choose from W block or save as, and watch it instantly create files for you. Whatever you name your paper space tabs will reflect in the file name, as well as hold all of the original data with a new model and paper space within the newly created file. If you have ever tried to edit attributed data, you'll know how painful it can be to find and edit multiple attributes at once. The Batch Attribute Editor allows you to quickly and easily edit multiple attributes within multiple blocks. Batch process this for multiple drawings that are using these blocks as well. Either type in the new bat command or find it within the add-ins tab within the ribbon. Select certain attributes or select them all. The new window will now allow you to go through each and every single attribute and edit them as necessary. You can even export the attributes into Excel and edit them through there. Sometimes, Excel is much faster to work with than CAD itself. We can then save the changes and reload the file back into the add-in. We can also specify a folder and then see all the drawings that use these attributes, which we can then specify which drawings we wish to have the attributed data edited within as well. It will automatically open the drawings and ask us if we would like to discard or keep the changes. We can keep the changes and then close out the file. This is much faster than the out-of-the-box Batman command, which requires us to edit one by one. We can now see all of the attributes in one area and work much faster. Visit apps.autodesk.com or type in the hyperlinks below to quickly get to the appropriate page.